Tidwell Realty presents 404 New Alexandria Rd Hempfield Twp. To view this commercial property today, call the Tidwell team at 724-832-1100. The showroom is perfectly set up for many different uses, whether you are selling products or using it as a waiting room/lobby for customers. Here is another view of the showroom. There is also another small room off of here that would make the perfect office or waiting room if necessary. This huge garage can fit 4 cars and would be perfect as a repair shop, glass installation, warehouse space, or whatever fits your needs. This garage can accommodate pretty much any size vehicle with these floor-to-ceiling garage doors. This is the second garage off of the side of the building,